Hello students, before we have learned about PowerPoint presentation, today we are going to learn about more on PowerPoint presentation. Okay? PowerPoint is one of the most powerful tools to communicate ideas and information. Information can be presented in a slide with the help of options such as text, pictures, graphics, tables with numbering and bullets. Now we are going to see inserting a tables. Tables are consist rows and columns. Let's see. To organize information systematically, to highlight important points, to enhance readability and grab a reader's attention. We can insert a table in a slide using the following steps. Let's see some steps we are going to see insert a table. First step is, first we have to click on the insert tab and choose table from table option and a drop down menu appears. It has three options to insert: draw and OPT for Excel spreadsheet. Now second step is, click on the insert table option and insert table box appears on the screen. Select the number of rows and columns required and click on the OK button. And empty table will be displayed. We can fill data in to complete our table. We may use different table formatting options to make changes in the table. We can give design to a table. So different designs are there. That designs we can insert in our table. And we can arrange table in a different rows and columns, and we can give information in the different rows and columns like January, February, March, April, May, June. Now we are going to see inserting a picture. A picture makes a presentation interesting. Now some steps are there to insert pictures. Now we are going to see. The various steps to insert a picture are given below. First step we are going to see. First we have to click on the insert tab. Select picture in the images group. And second step, an insert picture window opens on the screen. It allows us to choose a picture from a folder on the computer. Click on the insert button to insert the picture. Once the picture is inserted, we can change its size or position. If we click on the Picture Tools tab appears. There are different options available on the ribbon to adjust the picture. Change the picture's style, arrange the picture on the screen and resize it. We can give different effects to the pictures and we can give different shapes to the pictures. Examples: square, circle, triangle and many other shapes. Now we are going to see inserting shapes. Auto shapes are drawing features that help us to draw different geometrical figures such as rectangle, triangle, ellipse. Let's see. These shapes can be resized, rotated, flipped and colored. Now we are going to see steps to insert shapes in a slide. Click on the Insert tab. Choose the Shape option from the Images group. Any option you can select any shapes like heart. Choose a shape from the options available and move the mouse to the slide. And click the mouse to place the shape. We can resize the shape by dragging the circles at its corners and sides. Again, we can take different shape like lines. Lines we can draw. We can increase size. Again, next we can insert oval shape. We can resize the shape by dragging the circle of the corner. Now, again we are inserting another shape, that is square. Mouse pointer we can take to the slide and we can drag it. That much we can drag to the corners and sides. Next shape we are going to take smiley face. Mouse pointer we can take to the slide. We can draw and drag smiley face. How much shapes we have to draw in a slide, that much shapes we can draw in one slide. Today we have seen inserting tables, inserting pictures and inserting different shapes. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.